Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can book flights with Klarna. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to alternative airlines, and this is because this is one of the only airlines that will actually accept Klarna. As you can see here, the Klarna logo is on the homepage, and that's because they accept it. So what you have to do is first search for a flight. So we can choose where we're coming from, and we also want to choose where we're going to. And from there we can choose the departure date and the return date. We can also choose how many passengers there are. So from there, when we're happy with it, we can go ahead and search. And here we can see all the flights. So let's just say we wanted this one. We can go down to the bottom, and as you can see, when we get to the payment method, one of the options is Klarna. And we can choose either to pay it in 30 days or we can pay it in 3 installments. And we can also click on here to learn a bit more about it. So we can see how much we will be paying. So the first option will be £267, which we'll have to pay back within 30 days. Or you can do 3 installments of £89, and they will both work out to be the same total. So it doesn't actually matter which one you pick. It just depends which one suits you better. And here's how we actually do it. So we want to add the item to our cart like we've done. You want to select Klarna at checkout on this section here. You then receive an approval decision, and then if it's approved, you can pay in installments. So once you have chosen Klarna, you can come down here and continue to payment, and they will check to make sure you are actually eligible to pay for this flight with Klarna. So that's exactly how you can book flights with Klarna. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.